Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying storage. Check that your Mac has more free space than the total data you plan to move. Next, connect an external drive formatted as XFAT for cross-platform transfers, or enable a network share on the Windows PC. Once done, open Migration Assistant on the Mac to import user accounts and settings. This saves time versus manual copying. Make sure both machines are awake and on the same network if using Wi-Fi, or connect via Ethernet for faster, stable transfers. Begin with your primary user folders, Documents, Desktop, and Pictures, because applications often reference those paths. If using an external drive, drag and drop while preserving folders. If using network transfer, mount the Windows SMB share on the Mac and use rsync or the Finder to copy. Rsync preserves permissions and resumes interrupted copies. Also, convert Windows-only files, for example, PSD or MSG, to formats the Mac can open, or install compatible apps so you don't lose access. After copying, verify integrity. Open several large and recent files to make sure they function correctly, and check folder sizes match. Then reassign permissions using Finder, get info or terminal chown/chmod, and relink app libraries such as Photos or iTunes/music so apps recognize the moved files. If something fails, try the transfer again over a wired connection, or check whether the external drive hit XFAT file size limits. Those steps fix the most common interruptions and data access.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.